The next topic is your IPv4. IPv4 is your internetworking protocol. There are many internetworking protocols and IP is one of it. IP stands for Internet Protocol, and now we'll discuss about IPv4, IP version 4. Okay, now IP version 6 is the latest. Okay, and IPv4, it is connectionless. It means that it doesn't form any connection prior to sending a data. If A wants to send a data to B, it doesn't form a pre-route. Okay, when it starts sending the data, it will select its route and then only it will go. So it is connectionless. It means it doesn't form any connection beforehand. Okay, then it has a datagram service. Datagram service is all your datas will go through different route to the destination. Okay, from your source to destination, all your data will be sent as segments. Okay, it will be fragmented and sent as segments or packets or frames. So when they are sending like that, each data or datagram will go through different routes. It will not go through a single route. That is your datagram service. Okay, so this is your main characteristics of your IP protocol. It is connectionless and it follows the datagram service. Okay, next, this is your IPv4 header format. In IPv4 header, first you have the version. Okay, the version of IPv4. So the version we use is v4. So it means in that 4 bits your value will be 0100. If you convert 0100 into decimal, you will get 4. Okay, so a version is fixed. It is 0100. Then your header length. Okay, then comes your header length. Next is your types of service. Okay, types of service which will be provided in this IPv4. Next, your total length of your data. Okay, and after that, the next line is used for fragmentation purpose. Okay, the entire identification DF MF is used for your fragmentation. So DF, if 0 is reserved, okay, DF stands for do not fragment. Okay, if do not fragment is there, it means we should not fragment. The data is already fragmented. That is the meaning of your DF. Next comes MF. MF means there are more data to be fragmented. Okay, if MF is 1, it means there are more data which has to be fragmented. So that is the values of your DF and MF. So it can be zeros and ones. So if you take both together, it will be from all zeros to all ones. Next is fragment offset. Okay, so we'll be fragmenting your data and you will be sending. Assume that you have sent 4 data already and 5th data you are going to send. Okay, it means that your fragment offset will be 4. Okay, your fragment offset is 4, means 4 data has been sent before and now you are going to send your 5th data. Okay, so that is the meaning of this fragmentation. Next is time to live. Any frame will have a time to live. The frame, when you are sending from sender to receiver, the receiver will not wait for infinite time. Okay, so the receiver and the path, the routers in the path will know the time to live for each packet. Okay, for example, if there are 4 nodes in between and the time to live is 2, after the second node it will drop the packet. That is the meaning of time to live. Okay, each packet will have a time to live, and if it exceeds the time to live, we will drop the packet. There is no need of that packet. So that is your time to live. Next is your protocol. This protocol is from your upper layer. It may be TCP or UDP, whatever. So in this IPv4 header, we are mentioning the type of protocol which is going to be used. Next is header checksum. Checksum is used for your error correction. The type to check your error will be using your checksum. Next is your source IP address and your destination IP address. Both are of 32 bits. Next is options and padding. Okay, options and padding. Options and padding means you have many options to select your route. Okay, so that options is given in that options link. Okay, in that option segment, the options for routing will be there. For example, you have strict routing and loose routing. In strict routing, the entire path will be predetermined and we have to follow that path. In loose routing, it is not necessary to follow a same path. Okay, so that options segment will tell that routing. And you have padding. In padding, the data which you are sending should be of a particular number. Okay, it should be in the power of 2's. If it is not like that, an extra bits will be added. Okay, an extra bits will be added to your data so that it can be sent. Okay, so that is your options and padding. Okay, so this is all about the header of your IPv4.